Welcome back to my channel guys. Inyong lingkod, Aljon Foronda. And we're going to unbox and review the WK4 mechanical keyboard sent to us by Wizmax Philippines. Before we start, disclaimer lang. This review is based on my own opinion. Very honored tayo na pinadalhan tayo ni Wizmax Philippines ng product nila. And they gave me the freedom para sabihin ko ano yung gusto kong sabihin dito sa review na to. So, check na natin yung keyboard. What's in the box? Nandiyan yung keyboard itself, meron din manual and paperworks, keycap remover, tsaka mga extra switch. So sa design ng keyboard, meron siyang metallic texture which is nice. Hindi siya yung typical na color black or white na plastic case na nakikita natin sa ibang mga keyboards. So meron siyang total of 87 mechanical keys. And for functionality, we still have the arrow keys, pati itong mga button sa taas. So if you're like me, na dito sa taas nagka-type ng numbers, missing the numpad will not be an issue. Also, space saver din siya kung maliit lang yung desk setup nyo dahil hindi din yung kalaki masasakop ng keyboard. May status indicator din dito sa gilid, for example, toggle caps lock on and off. And then a warp logo, which is a nice added touch sa taas ng arrow keys. Sa likod ng keyboard, plain and simple. Meron siyang backstand and rubber. Maganda din yung grip niya, hindi siya gumagalaw-galaw habang ginagamit. So kung gagamitin nyo to for games, feeling ko magiging stable naman siya kahit gigil na tayo pumindot ng keyboard. And itong cable is fabric cable, so mas matibay siya compared dun sa mga usual cables. Also, meron din siyang noise filter and warp logo sa velcro. So ito yung keycap niya, double spray matte coating and laser engraved. Nothing fancy going on here. So punta tayo sa switch. So itong gamit natin ngayon is clicky blue and it is very customizable. Pwede nyo siyang palitan ng linear red and tactile brown. Ito yung sound ng keyboard. Check din natin kung gaano siya kabigat. Personal preference, mas trip ko yung medyo mabigat. Feeling ko mas premium yung pagkakagawa niya kapag medyo mabigat yung keyboard. So itong WK4, suwak siya sa trip kong bigat ng keyboard. So since gaming keyboard to, check natin yung RGB lights. Ito siya kahit hindi totally patay yung ilaw. And mas ma-appreciate mo to sa dark environment. Mas nakakagana maglaro. Meron din siyang LED design dito sa taas, pandagdag forma. Also, itong RGB lights natin is customizable in 14 different lighting effects. We can also increase and decrease brightness, change light speed and color. Overall, na-impress ako dito sa keyboard na to. Maganda yung build quality, customizable, okay din yung typing experience. Accurate siya and responsive kada press ng mga keys. Kung naghahanap kayo ng high quality mechanical keyboard, I definitely recommend Wizmax WK4 mechanical keyboard. You can also check other products of Wizmax Philippines. Lahat ng links nila will be posted in the description box below. Thanks again for Wizmax Philippines, and guys, see you in the next video.